Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create surveys with SurveyMonkey. First, head over to the SurveyMonkey website and create an account. Once you have created your account, you'll be brought to the dashboard. Click on Create Survey, and here you have lots of different ways to create a survey. But for this video, I'm just going to click on Start from Scratch. From here, you can see you have different themes and a lot of different options to choose from the side. Because I'm on a free account, I can't access most of these options. To begin, I would change the name of the survey itself, then click Save. From here you can create a title if you'd like, and then enter the question you would like to ask. You can select what sort of answer it will be, if it will be multiple choice, drop downs, etc. You can choose if you want to use Answer Genius or not. Answer Genius just basically creates automatic answers. And then from there, because I've chosen multiple choice, I'm just going to select the different choices. If you would like extra multiple choice answers, click on the little plus and it will give you some more. But in this case, I don't need any more. There's different options down here. For example, score this question, which gives it a sort of test feature. You can add an other option, or you can also select a none of the above. When you are happy, click on save. If you would like to create more questions, click on new question. And when you are completely done with your survey, click on Preview Survey, and from here you can see your survey. You can answer it as if you were a normal person answering the survey, and there you go, and you can see it works perfectly fine. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.